Welcome to the video on 5 life-saving tech tips for beginners. Learn how to use keyboard shortcuts to save time and appear more proficient in tech. Master the art of effective Google searches to save time and find accurate information. Discover the importance of clearing browser cache to keep devices running smoothly. Clearing browser cache helps maintain optimal performance and prevents technical glitches. Understand the significance of backing up data and its role in protecting digital information. Always back up your data to ensure its safety and avoid data loss. Learn how to safeguard online privacy by updating passwords and avoiding sharing personal information. Protect your online privacy by taking steps to secure your personal information. Practice these tips and watch your tech troubles evaporate. And for more quick tips, make sure to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.